We have F. Fascism, Bruce Feiler, Robert Filmer, David Finkelstein, Stanley Fish, and floating abstractions which are not connected to facts, floating abstractions. And then you have forms, world of forms. This is a concept in philosophy. Founding fathers, Benjamin Franklin, and then French classicism. And then you have G, Galileo Galilei, Lynn Jarrett, John Gatto, Peter Gay, Gentile Gian, Gerhard Hardut, William Gilbert, Washington Gladden, Sheldon Glasgow, God is Back, a book. Goldberg, Michelle Goldberg, Golden Ass, Maxim Gorky, Gorsky, Gottlieb, David Graeber, George Grant, Robert Graves, and then you have Greece civilization, Greek democracy, Greek education, Greek literature, Greek science, Greeley Andrew, Green Christianity, Brian Green, then you have Gregory Seven, Gibbon, John Gibbon, David Gross, H. Hadrian, Hamilton, Hardy, David Harriman, Hawking, Otto Collis, Tom Hayden, George Wilhelm Friedrich Hegel, Heinle, Donald Heinle, Heisenberg, Hellenistic Roman period, Heraclitus, Harrington, Herodotus, Hesiod, David Hicks, Hippocrates, Adolf Hitler, Thomas Hobbes, then Eric Holder, Homer, Victor Hugo, and Huizinga, David Hume. David Hume is a philosopher. And then you have with idealism, induction, Iliad, industrial revolution, infinity according to Aristotle, innocent 3, innocent 4, inquisition, integration, Islamic theocracy. Then you have William James, James I of England, Jammer Max, Thomas Jefferson, Jenkins Richard, Jesus, John King of England, George Johnson, Jolivet, Steve Jolivet, James Joyce, Juvenal Juxtaposition. Then you have Kafka, Kaiser, Candle, Kantianism, Kekule, Kelly, Kepler, Keynes, Khrushchev, King Lear, Kirchhoff, is a scientist, and Kirkpatrick, Kitto, Cross, Krupskaya. Then you have with L, law of causality, Lahey, Landis, law of excluded middle, law of identity, law of non-contradiction, all the Aristotelian concepts. Arthur Francis Leach, Lederman, Leibniz, Lenin, Les Miserables, John Lewis, Sinclair Lewis, linguistic analysis, John Locke, and Hendrik Lawrence, Lucretus, Martin Luther, and you have with M, Ernst Mach, James Madison, Magic Mountain of Thomas Mann, Magna Carta, Marcus Aurelius, Christopher Marlowe, and then H.L. Marrow, Karl Marx, Marxism, Materialism, Mathematics, Somerset Maugham, uh, James Maxwell, Medieval Education, Medieval Literature, Medieval Politics, Medieval Science, Milank, Thun, Michelson and Morley experiments, John and Wooldridge, Michael Waite, Middle Ages, John Stuart Mill, John Milton, Minkowski, Mixed Economy, Modernism, Maria Montessori, Moral Majority, Morality Plays, Morley, Dugald Murdoch, Mussolini, Ralph Nader, Ralph Nader, Neletov Igor, National Education, Naturalism, Nature, Nazism, Necessity, Neil, Neoclassicism, New Christians, Isaac Newton, Nielsen, Nietzsche, Nihilism, Nostradamus. With O, you have Oates, Whitney Oates, Barack Obama, Objectivism, On the Eve by Turgenev, Ontological Argument, One in the Many, Orientalism, Othello. With P, you have Paradise Lost, Parmenides, Passion of the Christ, Ivan Pavlov, uh, Perceptual Level Mentality, Persia, Phaedra, Phillips, Phonics, Pietism, Plato, Pluralism, Pol Pot. Then you have Jackson Pollock, Polylogism, Alexander Pope, Karl Popper, and Positivism. And you have Postmodernism, Pragmatism, and you have Progressive Education, Protestantism, Protestantism, Ptolemy, Pythagoreanism, Quantum Mechanics. Then Jean Racine. Uh, in the next video, we'll cover the rest of the topics now.